Hey YouTube, Joseph Vollmer here, and this morning I have a 2002 E350 shuttle. It's a shuttle bus conversion here in the shop, and their complaint, this thing only has 43,000 miles on it, but their complaint is that when they turn the air on, they only have defrost. They cannot change the duct position. Now, on most of these older Fords, they used a vacuum operated actuator for the duct door, and when you lose vacuum to it, it always defaults to defrost, so it'll keep your windshield clear in bad weather. So I'm working on diagnosing it now. The 9 chances out of 10 on something that's this old, I mean, you're talking something that's 16 years old, one of the vacuum lines is cracked going into the cabin, and cracked, broken, and you just don't have vacuum because the vacuum lines are not very big. So I'm going to do some hunting around through here, try and diagnose the issue exactly. When I find it, I'll bring you back and show you. Alright guys, so here's what I've got. This vacuum line right here is what feeds the HVAC. This is the other end of it that runs down around the blower box and in. Somewhere or another, that line broke. I just spliced this line in, ran it through the door opening temporarily, and in here and spliced in. You can see where I tied in right here. Whoop, pulled it apart. Anyway, I tied in right there and started it up. Everything works. So somewhere between this pass-through, right, let me get a light on there for you. That pass-through right down there, where you can see that line and that grommet, that's the pass-through. Somewhere between there and the other end of that line, there's a break in it. Probably at the vacuum check valve. So I'm going to pull it out, run a new line. I'm going to try just to connect this line to that one, tape it up real well, and then pull it all back through, and hopefully I can use that as basically a fish tape, so to speak, to pull it out, and then we'll just reconnect it and everything should be good again. So guys, do me a favor, if you like the video, please rate it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Any questions you have, drop in the comments section. Don't forget to get out there and get your hands dirty. You might just have fun doing it. See you on the next one.